In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom's virtual background feature without needing a green screen. Whether you're attending online classes, business meetings, or just having a casual chat with friends, setting the right background can add a touch of professionalism or fun to your calls. Let's dive right in. First, open the Zoom app on your device and sign into your account. If you're not already a member, it's a quick process to set up your account, and then you'll be ready to go. Once you're logged in, the next step is to start or join a meeting. You can find this option on the main home screen, where you'll see options to either host a new meeting or join one that's already in progress. Now, once you're in a meeting, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see the video icon. Just to the right of this icon, there's a subtle upward arrow, a little caret mark that can sometimes be easy to miss. Click on this arrow, which will bring up a menu with several options. From these, select the option that says Choose Virtual Background. It's right there, and this is where the real magic happens. You'll now land on the Background and Effects tab. Within this, Zoom offers some default virtual backgrounds. These can range from simple office settings to beautiful landscapes. Feel free to scroll through and pick one you like. But if you have something specific in mind, like a logo or a favorite picture, you can click the plus sign to upload your own image or even a video. This is a great way to add a personal touch or represent your brand. Now, here's a crucial step, especially since we won't be using a physical green screen. Look for the option labeled I have a green screen. Make sure that this option is unchecked. Leaving it unchecked ensures that Zoom knows to handle the background without needing an actual green screen behind you. With everything set, Zoom will automatically work its magic. The app uses advanced technology to detect you in the video and smartly replace your background with the chosen image or video. This feature helps you present yourself in a clean and professional manner, even from the comfort of your home. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effortlessly use Zoom's virtual backgrounds without needing a physical green screen. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your video calls. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and I hope it makes your next Zoom meeting more enjoyable and personalized. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, or subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy Zooming!